The MLA of Pynursla, Prestone Tynsong, who had met media persons today, condemned the incidents that had taken place on the evening of 3rd March 2023, whereby private property of the MLAs from Maushandrut and Mauthat Raishan were vandalized and people had taken the law into their own hands. In the meantime, Tynsong termed the Hito and HYC not as pressure groups but political wings of some political party or the other.
Got 2 seats, again some parties got 5, 4, like that. So I think that is not the way of thinking. But you need to also respect one thing. We are the single largest. NPP got 26. So why don't you respect the decision taken by the elected representative of the party? Because we already elected Karnal Sama to be the chief minister, again to become the chief minister for the next 5 years. So it seems these people, they got mad on that. But my clarification on this is, if you want that, why not you come only in one party? Let one party set up the candidate. This side you have 36, you may win 32, you may win 33, then you claim and form the government. I think that is very clear. But now you can't do like this. How can you just force bringing two MLAs from one party, 5 MLAs from one party, or 4 MLAs from one party? How can you forcefully ask them to form the government just because we want chief minister from us? I think that is totally wrong. That's what I'm saying. Certain conditions are there where we need to respect and we need to also follow. Let me tell you, we have already instructed the police force to make sure that law and order is maintained at any cost, especially before the swearing-in ceremony, which is going to be held on the 7th of this month in the morning time. So this is my appeal to all the concerned, to all the political parties. Let us work together. Well, people has already elected you. No matter you will be in the opposition or you will be in the government, but we will work together for the betterment of our state here in Thailand. But what I'm saying is, I've seen the way they talk, the way they openly goes different parts of the Hasi Jaintia. So it proves that they are just like a political wing of some political parties.